Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this power supply 24 volts 5 ampere 120 watt. It is not turning on. Let's see what is the problem. If you don't have good practical experience in electronics, never try to repair, because here are live voltage. In last videos I repaired this power supply. Here was problem fluctuation, reason potentiometer. In this power supply, here was problem output capacitors. Output capacitors were damaged, so I replaced these two capacitors. These are 2200 microfarad 16 volt. Original capacitors were 1000 microfarad 16 volts. In this power supply, this IC and RCD slumber diode. And let's check what is wrong here. I will apply power using series lamp. If you have isolation transformer, that is the best option. Lamp draw current, that means its input circuit is clear. 233 volt AC. Output voltage, no voltage. No light, no voltage. Never touch the components until we are confident that there are no voltage. Check voltage. If there are voltage on this capacitor, discharge it. If here are some high voltage, discharge it using discharging kit or any lamp. This board color is changed. This area is discolored. This portion separate color and this portion has separate color. We will check voltage on this capacitor, 336. That means input circuit and this capacitor are good. Check voltage on VCC capacitor. There is fluctuation on this capacitor. That means the IC is working. The IC is in reboot mode. It starts and then this capacitor is discharged. Here it is using UC3842. Pin number 6 to gate. Now we will check voltage on pin number 8. 5 volt reference on pin number 8. Ground at pin number 5. Reference voltage at pin number 8. No reference voltage. This IC is bad. Check voltage at pin number 5 and 7. Fluctuating. 8. No 5 volt. This is the problem, that this IC is damaged. It is not providing 5 volt reference. When it receives 12 volt, 13 volt, it must provide 5 volt. I will replace this IC now. This is original IC UC3842. I am using KA3842, the same. Yes, it has now turned on. So this power supply is now recovered. It is good now. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.